G'day everyone, this is Chris O. This is how I do a water stop, and it's a fail-safe. I don't have waterproof sticking to my aluminium. You might pay to go out, Mr. Doggy or Miss Doggy. Yeah, so it's always a silicone, or what do you call this stuff? So you first of all put your bead along like that. That stops all water anyway. It's all right if this aluminium shows, but a lot of times, you know, they say that your aluminium's meant to be sticking up above your tile. Well, what a lot of shit, because when you have just a sheet of glass, what do you do then? You always do it like this, people, and then you're able to mitre your tile. You get a nice fine joint. I've cut my tile with a grinder, so I have a mil and a half joint anyway. But people or know-alls out there, tell me, how do you do a shower that just has a one panel shower screen and you've got your water stop? It's got to be slightly below your tile and it needs to look like a grout line. Nice. Always make sure you've got it at the end there. Polyurethane. God, why did I forget that? I do not know. So you put your polyurethane, always making sure you've got it at the end done nicely there. You don't have to be flashy, just pop it up. Right, that stops all water. The only water that actually goes down to the waterproof is the water that goes through your grout line, and that runs nicely because this has all got pre-slope. Why I like to waterproof on top of my screed these days is because I've got slope. In the old days I used to waterproof on the concrete slab, and 9 times out of 10 the concreter raises slightly up to the pipe, so water is always running away from the pipe actually. So then it settles. When you waterproof on the concrete, it settles back here, doesn't run. So when you've got pre-slope like I've got now, it just runs to that waste. You never get a leak, I tell you, never. But you don't have to be super flashy do, because it all gets covered with your tile and glue. Now here, you see I do the same thing here. There I've got to just patch that bit of polyurethane. My water stop goes across there. When I have my tile on the floor, my architrave comes down to the tile. So if there's any water that comes onto this, it's not going to hit the jamb and rot out the jamb. And that's how I do a water stop at a door, people. I will have a nice tile square against that. It's slightly below. I miter my tile and I carry it on. It can look like a grout line, it doesn't matter. And you've got that a couple of mil below your grout line, and you fill it with grout, you're home and hose. So I'll be putting in a small piece across the door there. It's all cool. It stops any water going to your carpet, stops any water rotting out your jamb. You get the idea, people? Okay, we're good to go. We'll carry on. We'll move on to the next. This is Chriso. Subscribe to my channel. Let's bust things wide open. Let's grow it. See you soon. Okay, well, that's the floor done. With this now, with the water stop across there, I come out flat and I put a piece of aluminium in the front. That's easy peasy when it's dry, everyone. It's easier to do. Anyway, my leg is getting a bit sore from my back, so I'll go home and couch out, watch a bit of watch a movie or two. But yeah, tomorrow I'll go and waterproof a bathroom, another bathroom, and then I'll come back here. Today's Monday. I'll come back here on Wednesday. It's still sort of cold at night, so my glue will be green tomorrow, a little bit too green to walk on. So that's the reason why I'm waterproofing a bathroom tomorrow, and I stay off it, give it a chance to dry. Okay, people, we'll see you soon. But then when I come back, I zap the walls. Easy peasy.